In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a phone call in Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through the process of calling a Teams contact from your computer in a simple, practical way. If you're new to Teams, don't worry, this is a straightforward feature, and once you know where to click, it only takes a few seconds to start a call. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded and that you're signed in to the correct account. This is important because your contacts, calling options, and permissions all depend on the account you're using. Once Teams is open, look over to the left-hand menu and select Calls. This is the section where you can manage your recent calls, contacts, and access the tools needed to place a new call. If your Teams layout looks slightly different, that's normal, since the interface can vary a little depending on your version or account type. Next, click Dial Pad if it's available. In some versions of Teams, the dial pad appears as part of the calls area and gives you another way to begin a call. Even if you're not dialing a phone number manually, this is often where calling features are grouped together. Now, search for the person you want to call, or choose them from your contacts list. If you already know their name, using the search bar is usually the fastest option. If not, browsing your contacts can help you find the right person. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct contact before placing the call. When you're ready, click the audio call button. This starts a voice-only call through Microsoft Teams. After that, wait for the other person to answer. Depending on their availability, it may connect right away or it may ring for a little while. Once the call is active, you can use the meeting controls to manage your audio and communication settings. For example, you can mute your microphone if you're in a noisy environment, turn your camera on or off if needed, or adjust your audio settings for better sound quality. These controls are useful during any Teams call, so it's a good idea to get familiar with them. When you're finished with the conversation, click End Call to hang up. That closes the call and returns you to Teams, and that's it. That's how to make a